This story is called All Through the Week with Cat and Dog. Written by Roseanne Lenkzak Williams, illustrated by Catherine Leary, Creative Teaching Press. Fun and Fantasy Series. The cat is ready to eat, knife and fork in hand, empty plate, spoon, a glass of something, and the dog, who is the chef, opened the cookbook and is going to make something for his friend the cat. All through the week with cat and dog. Dog just woke up, cat is ready to exercise. On Monday morning, dog made cookies. Look at all those heart-shaped, star-shaped, chocolate chip, and sugar cookies. On Monday afternoon, cat ate the cookies. Oh, that is a problem. Ate all of the cookies. Do you think the dog will be happy when he comes back? We don't know. On Tuesday morning, dog made sandwiches. Look at all those sandwiches. Cheese and meat and tomato and lettuce. Those are nice sandwiches. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe 12 sandwiches with the one he's holding. And on Tuesday afternoon, cat ate the sandwiches. So is this the deal? The dog cooks in the morning and the cat eats in the afternoon? Let's find out. On Wednesday morning, dog made pies. Oh, look at those. Cherry pie, cream pie, all kinds of pies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pies. On Wednesday afternoon, cat ate the pies. You ever made pies with your family? What is your favorite pie? On Thursday morning, dog made pizza. Well, I like pepperoni pizza the most. There's a vegetable pizza, 3 pizzas here, and the dog is flipping 3 pizza crusts in the air. There's some mushrooms and sausage. On Thursday afternoon, cat ate the pizza. Well, that's 4 days of the week down. On Friday morning, dog made popcorn. Now that's a fun way to make the popcorn. Just let it fly out of there and catch it in the bowls. It's a purple bowl, orange bowl, yellow bowl. Ask your mom and dad if you can make popcorn that way sometimes. It's fun. On Friday afternoon, cat ate the popcorn. Cat looks like she's not feeling too good. See what's next. On Saturday morning, dog made cakes. I got cupcakes, roll cakes, tower cakes, big birthday cakes. Wow, nice work. On Saturday afternoon, cat had a tummy ache. I think cat is going to be in trouble. Not feeling good. On Sunday morning, dog slept late. It's 10:03 in the morning, dog is asleep. On Sunday afternoon, the cat is ready to run. And that's the full week. What's going to be the last page? Cat felt great. So here's the Sunday afternoon meals. Carrots, grapes, celery, apples, pineapple, banana, and yogurt. Well, they're happy, I guess. The dog makes all the food, the cat eats it all up. Hope you enjoyed that story.